2012 Ford Fusion, the easiest way I found to install this headlight, which is the low beams, the high beams are tucked up under here. But basically, after you remove this nice little water bottle and stuff something into this hose so it doesn't drain back out on you, you have plenty. Oh, there it is. There's the new headlight that I just put in. But yeah, you have plenty of space to get in there and play with that. Let's see, do you have any space? Nope, you have no space to get in there for the high beam, but at least you can get in for the low beam. Now, there's the funny little thing right here that you have to get past that clips in right there. Once you get that up, you can slide this whole bottle over. Makes it so much simpler. Well, let me put this back down. So, here's that whole piece going in the side. If it doesn't sit in there just right, you won't be able to get that clip back on. So yeah, slide that in there, kind of wiggle it around, and then it slides all in. Makes it really simple to get to that headlight right there. Alright, have a good one.